It's a wig. And iti-demo natin siya. Hi everyone, my name is Agustin. I am a wig maker here at Wigs Philippines, the original. For today's video, again, we're going to give you a demo of this 100% human hair wig, which is fully customized from one of our clients. So before natin simulan, hubarin muna natin for you to appreciate ang beauty ng wig na to. So I'm pretty sure that the reason why you're watching this is because you have hair condition or probably hair loss. Just like mine. Akin hair thinning yan eh. So, ayan, I'm pretty sure can relate ka and I know exactly kung anong nararamdaman mo. If you don't have something like this, you're probably undergoing chemotherapy or meron kang alopecia. All in all, hair loss. We want something to cover it up, to boost our confidence. And here at Wigs Philippines, we're here to make something beautiful that will definitely boost your confidence. So, here's an example of the wig that we offer here. So, ito fully custom made to. So, ibig sabihin, ginawa mismo for one of our clients. This one is a lace wig. So, I'll show you the lace part. Ayan. So, it looks like a scalp. So, basic cap construction lamang tayo. So, here it is. So, we have a very small logo right over here. This is the name of our client. So, itong lace part na to, yan yung free parting natin. Kumbaga, yan yung magiging hati ng ating wig. So, it's very easy to put on. Ako, I don't use wig cap na kasi very short naman na yung hair ko. So, diretso lang tayo magsuot. So, ganito ako magsuot. Ayun. So, as you could see, meron pa tayong excess lace. So, it's an excess fabric. Ayan siya. So, for the excess lace, kailangan tong gupitin. This one, proof lamang siya na bago ang wig. So as you could see, yan yung hairline natin, no? Ito yung hair parting natin. But then again, you can change that kung saan mo feel. But ako, feel ko sa on my left. Here's what it looks like. So, ayan, sa sides. Ikot tayo for you to see the back. It's a wig, baby. It's a wig. We can still cut it a little shorter, pero not too short. If ever gusto niyo parang faded, we have to use a full lace wig, and I don't usually recommend it para sa wig because mas delicate siya and mas mabilis yung lifespan. But for this type of cap construction, I can guarantee to you na it would last longer. And since it's very beautiful, it's so nice, and hindi basa-basa matatanggal, I can assure you, this will definitely boost your confidence. So if you're interested in getting a wig like this, or gusto mo i-check ito in person, you can come visit here in our studio located here at Barangay 177 North Caloocan. Or you can also send us a message on our Facebook and call us on our mobile number. And we'll be more than happy to set an appointment with you. And yeah, my name is Agustin, and my team will definitely assist you if ever kailangan nyo ng wig, because here at Wigs Philippines, we know exactly what you need. See you soon. Bye!